find the equation of the plane passing through the points this and which is perpendicular to the plane this. So you see I have drawn the diagram. Find the equation of the plane passing through the point. See these two, this one is the plane passing through these 2 points I have written. This is one point, this is another point. Actually this plane by mistake I have drawn, you cut this plane. And which is perpendicular to the plane this is the plane. Here this plane is perpendicular. Now since this plane is perpendicular to this, so one normal drawn to this plane, its direction ratio will be 6 minus 2 and 2. Now see here this required plane is this. Its equation I have written a into x minus 1, b into y minus 1, c into z minus 1. This 1, 1 and 2. See here 1, minus 1 and 2 I have got. So with the help of this point I have written this equation, where a, b, c are the normal, are the direction ratio of the normal to this plane. Now this equation passes through 2 minus 2 and 2. That means value of x is 2, value of b is minus 2, sorry, value of x is 2, value of y is minus 2 and value of z is 2. So put here, you will get one equation in terms of a, b and c. Here value of c is 0, that is why c is not there. Now see, here 1 and 4, that means equation 1 is this and 4 is this. 1 means the equation of the plane I have written, and this is also the equation of this plane. Now these two planes, this plane and this plane, perpendicular to each other. These two planes are perpendicular to each other. Then you see direction ratio of their normal also will be perpendicular to each other, because direction ratio normal is this plane's normal this way and this plane's normal this way. These two are perpendicular to each other. That means we can write a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0, where a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 are the direction ratio of the normal to the plane. So you can write here, you see direction ratio a into 6, that is 6a, plus b into minus 2, that is minus 2b, plus c into 2, that is 2c, is equal to 0. This formula I have applied. Now we have got 3 equations, 1, 2, 3. From these 3 equations, if you eliminate ABC, then one determinant will form. Here coefficient of a, that is x minus 1, here 1 and here 6. You see that I have written in the first column. Here coefficient of this is b. Here coefficient of b is y plus 1, here minus 1 and here minus 2. That is written in this column. Here coefficient of c is z minus 2. Here nothing is there, that's why nothing is there, so 0 it will be, and here 2, that is written. Now you expand this determinant, you will get the equation of the plane. That's all.